Finally, we have some confirmed leaks related to the Google Pixel 9 series. Firstly, it's confirmed that the Google Pixel 9 come with a powerful version of Gemini Nano with multi-model capabilities. With the help of device AI, you can going to be able to process text input, but it's also going to be able to discern context from real-world images, sounds, and spoken words at Google 10, right? Now let's talk about the design. According to Russian leaker Rose, Kadi shared pictures of three models of Pixel 9 series. And as you can see, Pixel 9 Pro XL, in fact, a larger phone. And it comes with triple camera, set up on the back and on the front panel, rounded device with a flat display. And the Pixel 9 Pro XL coming with a 6.73-inch display. Now let's talk about the Pixel 9. In Pixel 9 Pro XL, we have a good look at the Pixel 9 side by side with the Pixel 9 Pro. Pixel 9 does seem to have thicker bezels than the Pixel 9 Pro. Pixel 9 come with a matte frame, but it's a glossy camera module, and the Pixel 9 Pro come with a glossy frame, but with a matte rear and camera module. Now let's talk about the phone performance. It's confirmed that the Pixel 9 come with 12 GB of RAM, and the Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL come with a 16 GB of RAM. Now let's talk about the wallpaper of the Pixel 9 series now, which is leaked by Android Authority. So here are the wallpaper of the Pixel 9 Pro, and the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Lastly, let's talk about the color of the Pixel 9 series. Pixel 9 coming in Obsidian, Jade, Peony, and Porcelain, and Pixel 9 Pro is coming in the Hazel, Obsidian, Porcelain, and Rose. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.